got a problem with it, right?
Drop your shit here and drive it there.
Drop it here. They're good. Yep. Swap tires over there. You guys are good. We're gonna go in order by the cards, ace to 6. Red card means you get right lane. If you pull a red card, like let's say you get red 5, your 5th pair down, right lane. 5 black, your left lane. Quarter mile is gonna be marked off with 2 cones at the end. There's gonna be there's gonna be a starting line and then 2 cones at the end. If you cross behind, you're still good. If you cross in front, you're out. No fucking trading cards this time. You draw what you draw. So if you're racing against your fucking dad, your homie, whatever, you're racing him. 2 burnout max. Puddle burnout. Puddle burnout then. You guys good with that? Yeah. Everyone's good with that? Yeah. Puddle burnout? Yep. Puddle burnout. And then race master flagger has last say. It's gonna be Ryan right here. Powerline Ryan.
Oh, great.
All right. Ryan, show him how you're gonna flag him.
So we're gonna point over here, lock you. Actually, I'm gonna lock both cars in at the line. No creeping after I lock you in. I'm gonna walk back 3-4 paces, bang the light.
So red means what lane again?
Right lane.
First card, ace, number 1.
Ace. Number 2s. Warren, Kendall.
Damn. Why I gotta get you?
Number 3s. I got Nick. Number 4. Number 5s.
Fucking count it so there's no fucking issues on.
6. What's your name?
Nick.
Nick. Oh, shit.
No, just throw your shit there. I was just gonna buy one of them.
That's another buy.
another buy.
Yeah.
But we'll wait until he gets off.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Ready, man.
Bonnie, Kendall, Nick, Danny, Rick, and Sergio.
No, that. Hey, round two. Who's on to round two?
Drivers.
Drivers, round two. But shut off all the way on the driver, pick a card. 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 Who are we missing?
Number ones.
One. Who's this?
Giovanni.
Hey, here. Giovanni, right lane. Nick, left lane. First lane. Number two.
Giovanni's right lane?
Rick and Sergio.
What was your name?
Nick.
Who's Sergio?
That car, that coupe. This you're right? Rick?
Yeah, right.
Rick, EJ6, right? Right lane. Sergio, TFT. Threes. Ooh, this is a good one. That's a good one. No, that's good right there. Kendall, out of order, right lane.
Oh wait, he's back to the.
Danny Dukes, left.
What 707? Come on, dog.
Good save.
Good job, man.
It's just up.
Pick your card.
You, Sergio.
Hey, there's one ace in here. That's the buy run to the finals.
So they don't have to run.
Well, who wants to pick first?
Slow.
Slow person, right?
Watch out the truck. You got an ace?
Yeah, I got the ace.
Watch out. Finals. Go on, line up. I got it left. I got it left.